In this video, we are going to learn how do we pronounce G. In the first word, egg, G sounds as G. When G sounds as G, it is hard G sound. In the second word, vegetable, G sounds as J. When G sounds as J, it is soft G sound. Now let us see when G sounds as G or J. The letter G sounds like G when it is followed by the vowels A or O or U or consonants, or when it comes at the end of a word. Now we will see some examples for G is followed by vowel A. Gas, gap, gate, game. Next, G is followed by O. Go, God, good, goat. Next, G is followed by vowel U. Gun, gum, guest, guess. G is followed by consonant. Glass, green, glad, grey. Next, when G comes at the end of a word, jug, bag, dig, beg. The letter G sounds like J when it is followed by the vowels E or I or the consonant Y. Let us see some examples for G is followed by the vowel E. Jal, gender. Next, G is followed by the vowel I. Giraffe, ginger. Next, G is followed by the consonant Y. Gym, gypsy.